the 2017 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 20,000-kilometer mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split-folding rear seat, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.